This juicy fruit could be doing more for your body than you ever imagined. Peaches are sweet, juicy, and loved by millions around the world. But did you know this small fruit is packed with vitamins, fiber, and antioxidants? Today, we'll explore the real health benefits, nutrition facts, and possible side effects of eating peaches. Nutritional value. Peaches are low in calories but packed with essential nutrients, making them a delicious and healthy addition to your diet. One medium-sized peach contains important vitamins such as vitamin C, which helps strengthen your immune system and supports healthy skin, and vitamin A, which is essential for good vision, healthy skin, and proper immune function. Peaches also provide potassium, a mineral that helps regulate blood pressure, supports heart health, and keeps your muscles and nerves working properly. In addition, they are a good source of dietary fiber, which promotes healthy digestion, supports gut health, and helps you feel full for longer. Their natural sugars provide a quick source of energy without adding too many calories, making peaches a satisfying alternative to processed snacks. Thanks to their high water content, they also help keep you hydrated, making them an excellent snack for people who are watching their weight or simply trying to eat a healthier diet. Boosts immunity. Peaches are an excellent source of vitamin C, an essential nutrient that helps keep your immune system strong and ready to fight off harmful bacteria and viruses. Getting enough vitamin C on a regular basis can help your body recover more quickly from infections and may reduce the severity and duration of common colds. This powerful vitamin also acts as an antioxidant, protecting your cells from damage caused by free radicals while supporting healthy skin and faster wound healing. Because seasonal changes often increase the risk of colds, flu, and other infections, adding fresh peaches to your diet is a simple and delicious way to give your immune system extra support. Combined with a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle, peaches can help your body stay strong and healthy all year round. Supports digestion. Thanks to their fiber content, peaches help keep your digestive system healthy. Fiber adds bulk to stool and prevents constipation. Eating peaches regularly can improve gut health and support smooth digestion. Good for skin and eyes. The vitamin A and antioxidants in peaches support healthy skin and improve eyesight. They help fight free radicals that cause aging and skin damage, keeping your skin glowing naturally. Heart health. Potassium in peaches helps control blood pressure levels. This reduces strain on your heart and lowers the risk of heart disease. Including peaches in your diet can be a simple step toward a healthier heart. Side effects. While peaches are healthy, eating too many can cause stomach issues like bloating or diarrhea due to high fiber content. People with pollen allergies may also experience allergic reactions. Always wash peaches properly before eating to remove pesticides. So that's everything you need to know about peaches, a tasty fruit that's good for your immunity, skin, and heart. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who loves peaches too. See you in the next video.